Hello everybody, this is going to be a very quick tutorial on how to change your cabin air filter on a 2013 BMW X1. Pop your hood open and take a look at the plastic right here. You're going to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, and you're going to lift this up. There's your air filter. This is the inside of your vehicle there. And pretty much get your replacement. It's hard to find this in stores. Your best bet is online. I found this one at my AutoZone. It's not the best quality, but this is the code if you want to go with the STP. Let's go ahead and unwrap that and install it. The new filter will snap in place, and it's pretty simple. Just put it back on. Alright, hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing for more content.